Welcome to the Singer's Success Path podcast, where we talk about all the ways singers are generating revenue without performing live. Our bias is to have complete and total freedom with our time. So we explore the best music revenue streams to maximize profits in the short term and residually in the long term to ensure sustainable longevity with our careers. We don't show up to the venue or the farmer's market lugging a PA system and a tip jar. We decide when we work or if we work on a given day. And we build a lifestyle where we enjoy our lives and get paid for our passion. Very few jobs exist when you set out to make money in music. When you decided music is what you wanted to do, you decided to become your own business. So, hello, salutations. This is a great place to get started. In this community, we help each other discover what the road will look like for each one of us. I hope this podcast gives you lots of inspiration and actionable steps to take on your singer's success path. Check out all the free resources available to you at singerssuccesspath.com.